Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be talking about how to delete a Windows 10 user from your computer. To do this, we're going to be following these steps. Also, don't forget to check out any other videos on this channel: how to create a new user in Windows 10, how to download Windows 10 to flash drive, how to install Avast antivirus, and how to connect your Android phone to Windows 10. So let's get going. Go ahead and click on your start menu and type in computer management, and go ahead and hit enter. Another way to get here is go ahead and click on start, type in this PC, right click on this PC and click on manage. That will bring you to the same location. So once you're here, go ahead and click on local users and groups and find this user, find the user group. Let's say if I want to delete this user, which is named actually this user, all I need to do is right click and click on delete and say yes, and say yes one more time. Now before you do this, I want to go ahead and get your attention to something. Make sure you have another user account that you can log in with, so you can save all the files and everything. But that's how you delete a user in Windows 10. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.